To get started, click on the Start Free button on the top right of the screen. Next, you will need to sign up. You can do this using Google or entering your email and password. After you log in, you will need to grant permission to Story Canvas. You're in! The first thing you will need to do is upload your influencer images. I recommend you upload a face close-up image, 3/4 body image, and full body image. I also recommend that your influencer be dressed in neutral clothing and have a white background. This is to avoid confusion with outfit reference image or background that you will upload later. Next, you can upload an outfit reference image. If you upload the outfit image here, then all generations will have this outfit. You can also upload an outfit for each scene separately. So if you want to do that, leave this section blank. Next, you will choose your storyline. Here we have two options. You can use the pre-built story templates or prompt your own using the custom prompts. Here you can choose how many images you want to generate and prompt what should be in each image. I will go back to demonstrate the story templates. Here you can see there are different niches, and each niche has a few story options. The fashion niche will have different story templates than luxury, fitness, and so on. For this tutorial, I will pick the fashion niche and outfit transition story. I will leave the number of scenes at 5, since that is what you can generate on a free trial. You can choose to upgrade the quality of the images by clicking on the HD upscaling. Next, you will see a list of your scenes. As I mentioned before, you can upload an outfit reference for each scene. If you don't upload one, the tool will use logic to assign an outfit based on the scene. You are now ready to generate your images. Click on the Generate Story button, scroll down, and you will see your images starting to generate. On the top right of the screen, you will see how many images you have left in your image bank based on your subscription. Because we are on the free trial, you will see 5 up here. As the images generate, you will see this number go down. While we are waiting for the images, I will give you a tour of the site. Clicking on History, you will see all your previous generations. We got this notification that there was a problem generating one of the images. I knew this would happen because for the first scene, I chose an outfit of a woman in a robe. The reason it failed was because the tool flagged this outfit as inappropriate. Here you can see it suggests how to solve this issue. You can also try to regenerate the image again. Sometimes it will work. Clicking on the arrow on the right side, you will see all the images generated for the story we chose. We don't see any now because our images didn't finish generating yet. Next, we have credits. Here you will see your subscription type. You can see we are on a free trial and how many images you have left. You can buy credits if you don't want to do a subscription. Or you can upgrade your plan to a monthly subscription. And here on the bottom, you will see your purchase history. And finally, we have the settings. Here you see your name and email and the type of plan you have. You can also upload your influencer images here so that you don't have to keep putting them in every time you want to generate a story. Under that, you have the option of changing your password. And finally, should you choose, you can delete your account. Let's go back to the history. We can see our images finished generating, and it shows 4 out of 5 images. That's because one of the images was blocked and didn't generate. If I click on the arrow, you can see all of your images. You can download each image individually by hovering over the image and clicking on the download icon. Or you can download them all at once by clicking on the zip button. I want to go back and generate the first image that failed. I will choose the same storyline, fashion and outfit transition. I will change the number of scenes to 1. This time I will choose a different outfit reference. And I'll click Generate Story. The image is generated. If you are not happy with it, you can hover over the image and click on the bottom right circle icon to regenerate again. If you are happy with it, you can download it by hovering over the image and clicking on the down arrow icon. If you didn't leave this page at all during generation and have multiple images, You can click on the Download Zip button to download them all at once. And that's it. Time to get creating.